They've ranged anywhere from electroplating within the printed circuit boards to solder masks to assembly to Happy Holden was in and gave some talks on future of this kind of industry and where that's going. We didn't pick in terms of straight linear kind of progression in fabrication, but just whatever worked with the lectures schedules and things like that. So they got to see all these pieces. So if they saw some of the pressing issues, how you do a multi-layer press within a couple weeks of when they did that in the lab, that was great. But even if they saw that later, they might have already had experience with that in the lab, so it resonated as well too. So we had just a smattering of all kinds of different topics, which, from a student's perspective, can be a little daunting and maybe scary at first because they, to a certain extent, they want that kind of structuredness. But with the generation now, they're a little bit more adaptable and like that kind of thing and can move with the flow a lot. They're used to turning things 90 degrees and going in a different direction.